Overcoming anger. Anger management. How to manage anger. Anger is a weakness, but people think it is a strength. In actuality, the person who does not display anger has more inner strength than the one who displays. First, the spark set you on the fire and then you burn others. So that fire not only hurts you but hurts others as well. Is there any way how to manage anger? Yes, with this anger management technique, you can become free from the bondage of anger. Do you get angry or it just happens? It just happens. So anger is in fact an effect. How can you stop an effect? It's the same as the result of an examination. The result cannot be changed. It is the cause which you need to change. As long as there is a cause, there will be an effect. Puja Dasri has rewarded various causes of anger, which has helped many people learn about anger management. Once you identify the different causes of anger, you can start to deal with them even before they result in anger. Analyze how to manage anger with this new understanding on anger management and bring an end to all your conclusion and frustration. Anger management 10 tips to tame your temper. Keeping your temper in check can be challenging. Use simple anger management tips from taking a time out to use I statement to stay in control. Do you fume when someone cuts you off in traffic? Your blood pressure rocket when your child refuses to cooperate? Anger is a normal and even healthy emotion, but it's important to deal with it in a positive way. Uncontrolled anger can take a toll on both your health and your relationships. Ready to get your anger under control? Start by considering these 10 anger management tips. 1. Think before you speak. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to say something you will later regret. Take a few moments to collect your thoughts before saying anything and allow others involved in the situation to do the same. 2. Once you are calm, express your anger. As soon as you are thinking clearly, express your frustration in an assertive but non-confrontational way. State your concerns and needs clearly and directly without hurting others or trying to control them. 3. Get some exercise. Physical activity can help reduce stress that can cause you to become angry. If you feel your anger escalating, go for a brisk walk or run, or spend some time doing other enjoyable physical activity. 4. Take a time out. Time out and just for kids. Give yourself short breaks during times of the day that tend to be stressful. A few moments of quiet time might help you feel better, prepared to handle what's ahead without getting irritated or angry. Instead of focusing on what made you mad, work on resolving the issue at hand. Does your child's messy room drive you crazy? Close the door. Is your partner late for dinner every night? Schedule meals later in the evening, or agree to eat on your own a few times a week. Remind yourself that anger won't fix anything and might only make it worse. 6. Stick with I statements. Avoid criticizing or placing blame, which might only increase tension. Use I statements to describe the problem. Be respectful and specific. For example, say, I'm upset that you left the table without offering to help with dishes, instead of saying, you never do any housework. 7. Don't hold a grudge. Forgiveness is a powerful tool. If you allow anger and other negative feelings to crowd out positive feelings, you might find yourself swallowed up by your own bitterness or sense of injustice. But if you can forgive someone who angered you, you might both learn from the situation and strengthen your relationship. 8. Use humor to release tension. Lightening up can help diffuse tension. Use humor to help you face what's making you angry and possibly any unrealistic expectations you have for how things should go. Avoid sarcasm, thus it can hurt feelings and make things
9.
worse. Practice relaxation skills. When your temper flares, put relaxation skills to work. Practice deep breathing exercise. Imagine a relaxing scene or repeat a calming words or phrase such as "take it easy." You might also listen to music, write in a journal, or do a few yoga poses. Whatever it takes to encourage relaxation. Know when to seek help. Learning to control anger is a challenge for everyone at times. Seek help for anger issues. If your anger seems out of control, causes you to do things you regret, or hurts those around you. Reference: Anger Management. How to manage anger. Anger management. 10 tips to tame your temper. I'm really appreciate you for watching any Sovann daily videos. In order to receive endless financial and investment videos, please like, share, comment on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck always. Thank you.